The color mode monitor has a few more controls than edit mode does. And one of these is this control, and if I hover over it, it says switch to clip playback. By default, the scrubber in the monitor is set to sequence playback, so I can scrub through the entire sequence. It's great for navigation, it's great for playing through the entire project. But what if I want to work on a particular clip, and I want to scrub the clip without inadvertently going elsewhere in my sequence? That is what clip mode is for. In clip mode, the width of the scrubber bar is restricted to just that clip, and it's really fantastic if you need to do a little bit of manual rotoscoping for whatever you're trying to do, or if you just want to scrub through the clip you're working on very quickly in order to get a sense of what's at the beginning, what's at the end while you make your decisions about the grade. This doesn't stop me from playing through the clip. If I press play, I go ahead and play through each clip in succession, and the playhead just traverses each scrubber bar as I go. But when I stop, I'm now scrubbing within that clip. Another thing that's useful to know is if I click the loop button, now the playhead is captured within that particular clip. And so if I want to just see how that clip plays, well, I'm making various adjustments to contrast, exposure, and temperature. I can play through. And if I want, I can make these adjustments live during playback. Now I can move around. Pressing the up or down arrow keys still works to move from clip to clip to clip, and I still have playhead captured by the width of the scrubber bar. When I'm done, I can click the button again to go back to sequence mode, and I can go back and forth at will as I move through my sequence.